Hi guys, welcome to my Affiliate Legion review. My name is Keiron Hogg, and in this Affiliate Legion review I'm going to show you the members area, which I am not only doing as a review, but I'm actually also a member of as well, and I'm going to show you why I think in 2023 for your dollar this is the best affiliate program to be making very simple free commissions while you're asleep eating. I woke up this morning with $80 in my account for just sleeping. So I'm going to show you the members area. I've also updated my bonuses. I've got 270 bonuses in my mega bonus bundle for you, and we're going to look at why I think this program is so amazing. So let's get into it. I'll see you on the other side. All right, welcome back, my friends. So this is my bonus page for Affiliate Legion review. Affiliate Legion is a program that was created by Dan Khan. He is already made over $700,000 US in affiliate marketing in just the last few years alone. There's training, step-by-step training from him in here. Also, there is training from another seven-figure affiliate, Philip Johansson. Also, there are other mentors of mine in here, Bill Ang. It is just loaded with great content, and it is just amazing what it can do. But the real reason why I like this so much is there is also a built-in rotator that you will receive. So what that means is Dan has an amazingly big email list. All right, so like dozens and dozens and dozens of thousands of people. So when you sign up to this, you will be giving your affiliate link to Dan. Dan is going to be spending all this money on ad spend, Bing ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, etc. And your link will go into the rotator. So when he sends out his emails, you will be getting free commissions by doing nothing. So it is really great for new or struggling affiliates. Like I said, I just woke up today with an extra $80 in my account. In fact, $80.60 right there. Okay, so these are things that you can expect to receive, and I'll show you all the ins and outs about it, and the training is incredible if you want to be able to do affiliate marketing, not just the free rotator to receive those commissions, but if you actually want to learn how to do it and make extra commissions by learning the skills that Dan and these others are doing as well. So it's a fantastic program. Okay, let me take you, before we go into the members area, I'm going to take you through my bonus page. We're going to learn a little bit more about it. I'm going to take you then to the members area. We will look at the sales page and the bonuses in there as well. All right. So guys, this is going to stay up for another 7 days or so. And this is Dan saying, I'll personally help you earn $30,000 a month online from anywhere in the world. And you'll be making your first sale within 24 hours. So what is Affiliate Legion all about? Like I said, it's possibly the easiest way to make money online in 2023. You will earn commissions from a seven-figure affiliate who does all the work for you while you do nothing. So I'm going to take you to the sales page, and this is a drop-down menu that you're going to see, and you have two different methods of payment here. So you can do the monthly payment, which is $7 a month, which is basically on par for a large Starbucks coffee if you factor in tax and maybe a tip or something like that, right? Now, you can do it like that. I decided to do this one. This is a lifetime fee here. So instead of $7 a month, this is the one I did. It was $97 a month, and it is a single payment special bonus where you will have access to the money pool where they will spend up to $10,000 per month on advertising. So this one, you're going to get more exposure and more commissions as a result. If you just do the $7 a month, you will only be in the rotator for the emails. So this one is what I did. Also, guys, if you do 1 year of the $7 a month, that equals $84. So if you're going to be doing this, why not do it forever and pay the one-time fee, right? It's kind of a no-brainer. So I did that. That's what I suggest you do as well. So guys, my mega bonus bundle, I've revamped it. It is now 270 amazing bonuses for free, which you'll be getting. You can keep them. You can obviously get all the value from them. Look at what they are. There's plugins, social media, hacks, or organic traffic, SEO, paid ads, paid traffic, video tutorials, PDFs, email marketing, other things to make money online. It's amazing. I'll show you in a minute all the value. Also, guys, receive a one-on-one chat with me if you will have any questions about Affiliate Legion. Like I said, I am a member. And if you have any questions before pulling the trigger and you want to just get my honest feedback, you can ask me some questions and I'll be glad to help you as well. Yeah, probably the easiest way is if you just go down in my description, and I would say Facebook is probably the one I engage on more, but you can also hit me up on Instagram, and I just recently went on TikTok. So, but I would say Facebook is probably where I do more long form answers. Okay, so those are my bonuses, you guys, and also we're going to check out the vendor bonuses in just a moment, Dan's bonuses as well. Okay, so guys, to get this, what you're going to do is you will go to the sales page. Excuse me. Here, so here's the drop down menu, guys. So if I just show here, if I click on the join, it says you previously purchased this item. So I am being completely honest that I am a member of this and I really, really like it. Then you would just go here to checkout, right? Now, once you do that, it will also take you to this area here, access affiliate bonus. So you click on there, and then that is where I will have my bonuses waiting for you. Okay. Now let me just take you to the members area. So here it is, guys. This is Dan himself. This guy, brilliant young man, hard worker, and he's just done so well. He's a nice guy as well. So you're going to get access to his training. Also, Philip Johansson is another 7-figure affiliate. And you're also going to be a member of the Affiliate Legion community, which I am in here. There are a lot of like-minded people like myself and like yourself. And you can ask a lot of questions in here. And a lot of people who know the answers are gladly in here to help out. So you're going to meet a lot of like-minded people. You're going to meet a lot of friends. Also, I've met people that I've done business with. I've created products with that I've met in groups like this as well. So this is a really fun, really vibrant, friendly group. Also, they provide at the end of every month a live Zoom one-on-one or a live Zoom Q&A. So you can go on there and you can ask any questions in real time, and it is hosted by one of my mentors, Bill Ang, who is also a 6-figure affiliate. He will be a 7-figure affiliate. He's just a hard-working guy, smart guy, but he's really, really helpful as well. So he is also in here, and he will help you with your questions. So a lot of value in this. Okay, guys, let me take you to the members area. So where was I? There we go. All right. So one thing you're going to notice is for the price, you get tons of value in here. You get, of course, a welcome from Dan. You get an intro from Philip. Again, he's another huge affiliate marketer. And there's introduction to Bill as well. So those are the 3 main people that are kind of headlining this program. And then you just get so much value in here. So if I just click in here, guys, you're going to get the money system. So Dan breaks down how to create a funnel. Even if you don't have any money, you can do it for free. And your autoresponder, how you can get your email marketing program to link up to it. It's very, very step by step. And if you don't know how to do it, if you have questions, you can always ask the Facebook community. You can shoot me a message as well, and I'll be glad to try and assist you. So there's tons and tons of value in here, guys. So traffic, they're going to show you how to get traffic. You don't have to pay any money to this traffic if you don't want. It's all organic and it does work. And you guys, email marketing. So once you start building an email list with all the commissions that Dan is going to be giving you, It's going to show you how you can interact with your audience as well. YouTube Mastery, so if you want to be making videos, this is really great stuff. It really shows how you can hack the algorithm to get it working for you. So you'll be climbing the algorithm faster, you'll be outranking your competition in no time. So many cool little tips and tricks that are in here that I had no idea about before that I use now on a regular basis. YouTube Mastery outsourcing, outrank your competition, support, and here are some other things here which are in the upsells that you can just go through the sales page and then Dan will introduce them for you. So you can use Bing ads, Facebook ads, paid ads, interviews. So guys, there's tons and tons of value in here. So like, look at all of these different videos here, guys. They're just, it keeps going and going. So look at all that. Yeah, like I said, for the value, I don't think there's a better program on the market in 2023. All right, and guys, they've also got these little case studies and they've got these tasks down below. So, oops, if I click on any of the videos here, there's all these documents that further reinforce what the video has talked about and just helps you further understand what you're going to be doing. So guys, the price is pretty straightforward, all right? Just go back to it here. Let me take you to the sales page now. And here is the drop-down menu, which I just showed you, right? Now, I would recommend getting the lifetime, but I know other people that have also got the month just to kind of dip their toe in the water to see if they like it. Nothing wrong with that as well. You can be the judge if you want to just wade in or just say, hell, that's such a good deal. That's what I did, and I just went for it, and I'm very happy that I did. All right, let me take you through here, guys. So look at Dan. You're gonna wanna watch this video. He's already made almost $750,000. In the next couple of months, maybe 3 or 4 months, he's gonna be in the millions, so future seven-figure marketer. All right, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on here. You can check this out in my link. So if you just go to any of these buttons here, it's going to take you to the sales page as well, and you can check this out all on your own time. But I'm going to take you to the bonuses. Now here is some financial proof that what he's doing. So just all of these commissions on Warrior Plus, boom, 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 boom. And other big affiliates are also endorsing this program. They like it. They're involved in the Facebook community as well. So we have Ashley Perry, who's doing amazing in the affiliate marketing world. I think he made $7,000 yesterday. Philip Johansson, he is a 7-figure affiliate, just crushing it. Bill Ang, one of my mentors. And we've got loads of other guys here who are also 5-6-figure affiliates. And just give them a matter of time, they'll be 7-figure affiliates. Robin Palmer, crushing it. All these guys, Brian Alcock's good guy. So trustworthy people, people in the industry who are doing very well. Okay guys, so here are the bonuses. So we can do how an ex-plumber makes $100,000 a month. So this is Phil Johansson's story. He was a plumber, had a kind of a rough moment there where he was addicted to steroids, drugs, booze, and it was just sort of downward spiraling. Now maybe you guys, some of you are feeling, I don't know, some stress about your life situation. He climbed out of it. He's doing so well. So you might get some inspiration from that case study. How to make money just by pressing send. And guys, how millionaires run their marketing business and worth millions. So these bonus giveaways, the value is really, really good. And you're gonna get all of this for a 30-day money-back guarantee. So my friends, just to summarize, you're gonna get this fantastic system where you're gonna be getting on the rotator with your link, and Dan's gonna be making steady commissions for you. You don't even have to be selling this. You're just gonna be making money totally on autopilot, which is fantastic. I wish this program was here for me a couple of years ago. I would have definitely jumped on it. So the fact that it's still here, yes, or it's here now anyways, I've jumped on it, but I wish I had this when I was just starting out. Okay, guys, so I did these $97 one a month. It's up to you. And just to summarize, you're going to get step-by-step training from 2 7-figure affiliate marketers, Dan and Phil. Also, you're going to get it from Bill, who is a future 7-figure affiliate. Easy to follow video training on how to create funnels, email marketing, SEO, social media, and more. The exclusive Facebook community, which I'm a part of as well. You can ask any question and get answered from other like-minded friends and associates. A live Q&A Zoom meeting to ask questions in real time, so that is at the end of every month. And make free money with the rotator, okay? And the same as, this is all for this, about the same as a price as a cup of coffee, okay? So guys, to me it's a no-brainer. You're gonna get my amazing mega bonus bundle of 270 bonuses for free. You can chat with me if you need to just have a few more questions, and we're gonna get all the bonuses from Dan as well. All right, you guys, so that was my review of Affiliate Legion. I really like it. No BS in this one. This is the real deal. And I'd love for you to prosper in 2023 and beyond as well. We might have some hard times coming forward, so this is a no-brainer in my opinion. And if you do get it through my link, I have an extra bonus for you. You can, if you whitelist my email, I will be sending that over to you as a way of saying thank you. All right, my friends, Affiliate Legion is live already. So if you do like it and you want to get it through my link, you'll be getting my mega bonus bundle. And if you got value, hit that like button, drop me a comment if you have any questions, or hit me up on Facebook. Hit that bell button so you're always notified of upcoming videos, and you can check me out on all the social media. I'll be doing some quick videos, some shorts, and some IG and TikTok stuff as well. All right, my friends, I appreciate your time. Affiliate Legion, you want to get this in my opinion. Talk to you soon. Take care.